Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have P.F. Chang in the frozen section.
Tell them what we have again.
P.F. Chang.
Today we have not a lot of food, because this right here, 2 bites and I'm done. Real talk. So you make sure you tell them that.
So we have Mongolian beef, we have chicken fried rice, and then we have orange chicken. So what we're doing this week is we are going to be eating restaurant foods that's in the frozen section, and we're gonna see, does it taste like the real deal?
Deal or no deal?
Okay, so one of the cons, as Richie said about this P.F. Chang, is that they don't give you a lot of food, and for the price, I feel like it should at least be able to feed a family of 4.
Yes.
Not 1.
Not 1. She right on that, because when I seen this, I said, wait, where's the rest of the food?
Yes. Well, you can dig in, my love. We're going to go ahead and eat, and let me know how you like it, because we've had this P.F. Chang before, as you guys know, for Richie's B-Day.
Yeah.
If you didn't see that video, go ahead and check it out somewhere up here.
Check it out.
So we did have everything here. We did have, I don't think we had orange chicken.
No,
we had
don't have
sesame
orange
chicken.
But
we can still see if it tastes good. The description on it is very simple. This is great for a weekday meal if you are in a rush and you only have 10-15 minutes to get dinner on the table. But be mindful, you're going to have to get several bags if you have a family of 4. You might have to get 2 bags of each. This is a bag of each. Maybe I could have gotten another bag of rice, but like I said, in the bag, it feels like it's a lot, but it's not.
Okay, I don't put too much pepper on the thing. So tell me.
Oh, I'm gonna taste it.
Oh, you gonna taste? Oh, shit. Family.
Ooh.
Oh, before I forget. Happy belated Mother Day to all the mothers out there, okay?
Yes.
Big up yourself and respect. Alright? Y'all make the world go around. Without y'all, man can't be possible. Yeah, man.
You know how we breed people in there?
Yeah, man. Damn, Tom.
That is good, family. Good is good.
You need the orange chicken? Okay.
Okay. It is good. I'm trying to fry rice.
No, it is good.
It is very good.
Oh. Let me get this one. Family. Sorry today, but this food is not a lot. But I'm still gonna give you a little taste, okay? I'm gonna give you a piece of orange chicken and some rice. Some chicken fried rice. Family, you know how it is sometimes. When the food is not a lot, when it's a lot, y'all don't want it. When it's not a lot, y'all say, come on, give us some. Okay, let's do this right now. Okay?
Ooh.
There you go, you see it? There you go, you see it?
That is very good. This Mongolia beef.
Okay, I see it, family.
And I'm drinking out of my First Lady cup from Mama Shay. This Mongolia beef tastes just like the restaurant. Because...
You tried this already?
We had it at the restaurant, so we know how it tastes.
Yes.
Just like the fried rice. This tastes just like it.
It does taste just like it.
I'm going to taste the orange chicken.
If you didn't see it, go watch that B-Day video.
That's good.
That's why they put a little bit in the bag.
Yeah.
It does taste like it.
That is very
Family,
good.
no cap, it does taste like it.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Somebody want to see? Well, you don't have a lot of food today, you want to box out your hand.
You can't afford to lose no food. Okay. If you want a weeknight, like a weekday meal, try this. Try it. So simple. It took 12 minutes. I'm going to tell you how it works. I'm going to tell you how it works. All you do is you get your pot, a wok, or a big skillet nice and hot. Like piping hot.
This
takes about 2-3 minutes, the package says. Once it's hot, you throw the bag in there. That's all you do. You stir it around. You cover it for about 3-4 minutes on medium. You take it off. You stir it again. Then you leave it uncovered so that the gravy can thicken, and you're done. And you have a delicious meal. This is very good.
Wow. Perfect. Now I see when you talk about the metal straw.
Yeah. It's cold.
That I said, wait a minute, it comes like a ice I'm eating just now. No?
Yes.
Almost bite the strainer.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, that metal's see. Mama show you how to try. This try fits perfect in that hole. Yo, I said, God damn.
I love the metal straw because it makes the juice taste extra cold. I don't like ice in my drink if I have to drink it without a cover or a straw because then I feel like I can't get to the juice. But with a straw, it's good.
I said good and it's cold. This tastes just like it.
Did you taste this?
I just tried it. Didn't have the duck.
No.
No?
I was
duck too dear.
Duck too dear. What else they had? Oh, they had cauliflower. Almost like we had in the Indian restaurant.
Family, if you never tried P.F. Chang, go check it out. It's on go.
And the frozen section. Oh God.
This tastes good. The orange chicken is good.
It's good.
It comes like you made it. You taste the orange.
Yeah. And you don't miss any seasoning.
Seasoned. And this is seasoned. You know how we get when we don't have our seasoned food.
Yeah, I wish they had their crab ragoon. Oh my God, that is good too. So this look like it has string beans, tomato, carrots, tomato, carrots, peas, onions.
Listen. This orange, what they put in here, come like it was well ripe, like sweet.
Yeah. When I was cooking it, I said, man, the amount of orange, the orange was just, the smell of the orange was everywhere.
It's strong.
Strong.
Give them some Mongolian beef. I saw him.
You want some on your side?
I'm getting some. Here family. First lady got a little bit of food today, so she can't give you that much. There we go. There we go. Mongolian beef for the first lady. Huh?
This should be enough food for you, honey.
I'm taking my time today. When you full, just let me know. You full already?
You take
Okay.
you take your time all the time. That's how you enjoy your food.
I eat my food.
I know. I'm just joking with you.
No, not like that. I enjoy my food. I eat my food.
Fast?
Not fast, but I just paid because that's how I enjoy it.
Oh. Sometimes I feel like you don't even chew. You chew?
Yeah.
You chew?
It's an appetite. Family, this is good. It's so sweet till in my teeth edge of me. I gotta go to the dentist?
Yeah, you got probably not enough.
How was your weekend? We will ask. Good?
What did you guys do for the weekend? For Mother's Day?
Yeah, how you did? Mothers, what y'all did for the weekend? You know we want to know, so calm it down. This thing is cold, son.
Yes.
But then when you was talking, I think I foolish shot at me, look, I never tried, no. Family, first lady in line, son. That straw make your mouth like it's on freeze.
Yes.
Come on, like the AC's on.
In your mouth.
Yes.
I told you.
No, in your mouth. Go in my mouth. Watch your mouth, you know.
Or to talk. You love things in your mouth.
Just up your top, yo.
But for Mother's Day,
What do you have?
the kids they made me breakfast.
No, poor me. I had to go work.
My hubby had to work. And then they gave me a card, a beautiful card. Both of them gave me a card. And then when the hubby came home, he had a card and he wrote in the card like he knows I love. And he bought me 2 perfume to add to my perfume collection, y'all.
I ain't gonna tell y'all lady what kind of perfume I get her that you're gonna buy it.
What you?
First lady starting her perfume collection now. I gotta.
Yeah, you got
She told you before she was allergic to those stuff. But now I gotta hook her up.
I would eat this again.
What's the name of the thing I get you? Tell ladies them. Tell them ladies. I don't know. I don't want to bite my tongue, ladies. Make first they tell you the perfume what you have. For all the mans out there, go get these perfume for your ladies.
I got Versace perfume and Burberry perfume.
The Versace Crystal Bright. That's a go. Try that one, ladies. and the Burberry. I forgot the name of the other the Burberry one, but that one good. But the what you got? What I don't want to say the wrong thing. What you got? Chanel.
Chanel Mademoiselle.
Guys, go check that out for the ladies. That's a go.
Look, I said they barely gave me any beef.
Got enough beef.
What?
Got enough beef. This thing is sweet.
Is it too sweet though?
That's sweet enough. Like they just squeeze the orange over it.
Probably add sugar to it too.
But this is good though.
It's good.
What's this right here?
You know, I don't know. I know, but I don't know. Let me see. Oh, water chestnut.
Oh, I don't like that. I mean, yummy.
You know, yummy?
Crunchy man. No, why not? I mean, water chestnut, my you. Family, I don't know what's that. I know it's too crunchy. Like, I have a taste in my mouth.
Woo.
Oh, y'all went out? Okay, that's nice. That's good. They had a good Mother's Day.
That is good.
What?
One thing though, my family know, my husband, my kids know. Don't you dare take me anywhere for Mother's Day. Don't take me to a restaurant. Don't take me for breakfast. Don't take me on the road. I want to stay in the house. It's a madhouse out there. We made that mistake one year. I went out for Mother's Day. Worst experience. Wow. Overly crowded. You gotta wait for a long time to get a seat.
Yep.
When you do get a seat,
So true.
they are rushing the food because they're trying to hurry up and get you out for the next guest. And I don't like that because my food either comes out burnt or underdone. So I stay home for Mother's Day and have them make me food. And I have to stay in the bed all day. That's what I did. I stayed in the bed all day. After breakfast, I was in the bed just chilling, watching movies and chilling.
And
that was a great Mother's Day.
And I'm making first lady money.
And that was it. Okay, this is the next day. So, Mother's Day for me was excellent day. Sitting in the bed, chilling. Is that okay?
I think the chestnut that might.
I don't know.
Chestnut and I'm good.
The beef is good.
This is good.
It's
Go
good.
try it.
Mix it up with the rice.
Go try it, family. It's a go. I thought it was like, don't taste like it, but it does taste like it.
I put the whole fork in my mouth. Oh my god. Sorry. It does taste like it. Especially the Mongolian beef. Like I said, I haven't tasted this in the in P.F. Chang, but I can't see how different it would taste. Korman.
Yo, I love drinking that straw now. That's cold. Give me frostbites.
It is cold. I need more beef. I need more beef, man. I don't want no more sauce.
Oh. My teeth feel like it. How you know you need a pill in your teeth?
If you eat something sweet or something cold and it bothers your mouth.
Look, I need a pill in man. I can't afford that now.
When I feel like stinging.
Nice. Yo,
What are you talking about?
come like them got orange tree in my ear. I full of orange. Family.
So you said it's too sweet. It's too sweet. The Mongolian beef is good though.
I could have sworn I brought my phone in here.
I don't know. Too much sauce.
I don't get my phone.
Not enough beef. I'm done. This is good. They should have added more beef. Them too cheap with the beef, man.
Beef expensive.
No matter. I like the beans and everything else.
Wow. That was good though.
That was good.
I gotta get my phone. Family. Give me the word now. You know, the word of wisdom. It was good though. Alright. Family first lady. The strongest people make time to help others, even if they are struggling with their own problems.
So true. So true.
Read it again? Okay, I'm gonna say it again. Cause I know y'all got it, but y'all want me to hear it again. Cause Mr. Richie used to read it 2 times. And you start reading it 1 time now. You come like you Hollywood. Okay. I know. All right. I'm not Hollywood, but I'm gonna read it again for y'all. The strongest people make time to help others, even if they are struggling with their own problems.
Very true.
You do that a lot.
Yep, I do. But it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm good at it.
Yeah. Very good. She does that last time. If y'all can relate, put relate. And look at First Lady Ponytail.
Oh my God. Listen to me. Shut the fuck, please, man.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for our family members and the other one that's watching over there. So y'all now could come and join now. And thumbs up the video. Y'all getting better now. And I see some of y'all coming out. So keep coming out now and thumbs it up. Okay? We are the Greedy Couple. First Lady, a.k.a. Shanice. Richie, a.k.a. Chatty Chatty Pasta.
I like that name. I like that name.
And they are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
Bye.